Alright, welcome back to Windows End User Support. We are looking at Activity 1-5, working with Task Manager. So we're just going to look at how to start and stop applications with the Task Manager. Let's just first start up Notepad. Just put some text in there. And we'll start up an Internet Explorer page, leave it open. And we will right-click the system clock at the bottom and select Start Task Manager right here. Alright, so once you've opened it, it comes open to the Applications tab, and the Task Manager will remember the last tab that was on, and we'll bring that up next time you bring the Task Manager up. But we want to look at the Applications tab, so we'll highlight the Notepad application and click In Task. We're prompted by the Notepad wants to ask if we want to save our work, but we can go ahead and just hit In now, and that will close it out. Takes care of everything. Okay, so we notice that Notepad is no longer on the bottom of the screen here. It's been closed through the Task Manager. So we can also go down here to New Task, go to Open, type in Notepad, and it does open up the Notepad application for us from the Task Manager. Alright, so now let's look at the Processes tab. In the Processes tab, we will click the Image Name column to sort the processes by name. So there you go, they're in alphabetical order. And we will find and highlight the process notepad.exe right here. And we'll right click on that. So notice the pop-up menu items to set priority and set affinity. So we're going to point to the set priority menu item and check out the options. We won't change the default setting of normal. It allows you, the set priority option allows you to increase or reduce how often the multitasking system pays attention to that process. So, and then on set affinity, which my system does not have, it allows you to limit which processors can run the selected process. My computer is a single processor, so that's why I don't have a single or a set affinity button on there, because you're actually limiting which processor can process a certain item. So that's not available on my system. So let's end process right here. We're prompted with a warning when we're trying to terminate the program from processes. Applications can spawn a lot of processes, so terminating one might leave everything else unstable. But we are going to go ahead and end the process here, and now you can see that from the applications that Notepad has closed again. So now we're going to look at we're going to click on the CPU column header. That sorts the list of processes by CPU utilization. So this just shows how much of the CPU's time is spent on these processes. And we could look at what's taking up the most is, at this point, the Task Manager, or this CRS that comes in at some time. or Internet Explorer just jumped up a little bit there. So it kind of varies as the programs run. So let's go over to show processes from all users. If you're, let's see, the checkbox next to show processes from all users is now selected down at the bottom. Let's sort by, it's still sorted by CPU, so we have a task manager up here. Mostly it's the system idle process, if we extend this out. So the system idle process is taking the most CPU time, and when you're looking at all the processes from all users. So that is a little bit about the Windows Task Manager, the Applications and Processes tabs, and how you can negotiate and use them. Thank you very much.